Hi there, YouTube. So today we'll be replacing the RAM on my Alienware M14x laptop. Here's the new RAM upgrade. I'll just be showing you how to do this one today. And what you'll be needing is just grab a couple small screwdrivers and that'll work. I'm also going to use my cloth so it doesn't scratch it up at all. So we'll put the camera down here. What you're going to first want to do is shut down your computer. So go ahead and shut that down. And there we go. So my computer right now is running at 6 gigabytes of onboard RAM, and I'm about to upgrade it a little bit higher here. So when it's completely shut off, go ahead and close the cover and lay down a little mat there. Actually, you know what? We'll just do it right here. Okay. So the first things first. The Alienware, this is compatible with, this video is compatible with all laptops, but the Alienware, it only has 2 screws, so it's very accessible. Go ahead and, let's see, goodness, this is a little bit awkward. Go ahead and unscrew these screws. Alright, when you have your screws undone, on the Alienware the screws shouldn't come out. They are built in, just with little springs there. So that's a nice feature because you always lose screws. Go ahead and push up on this plate until it slides just a little bit. Then your back plate of the case should come off nice and easy. Just give it a couple pops out of there. And this is basically what the inside of your computer should look like. It actually looks pretty nice. It's a very accessible computer, and here's your RAM component right here. So go ahead and take your screwdriver again. It should be the same size. And unscrew that. I'll get back to you. Alright, so once you get that bad boy all screwed off, it should something look like this. Anyways, the screws stay in this leg again because of the little washer there. That's kind of nice. Anyways, here's the 6 gigabytes of memory. Pretty cool. Our next step will be first, I guess, to open your RAM there. I did that. We can throw that to the side. Now we need to take out the battery and ground the system. So first you're going to want to touch the base of the system. That's just the metal rim to make sure that you don't have any static electricity. Static is a bad thing because if it touches your computer parts, it will screw them up. Oh, we have more screws for the battery. Here we go. Let's see. We just pull this up? Nope, it looks like we're going to have to unscrew more things here. I'll get back to you on that. Okay, there we go. That was easier than I thought. So go ahead and just give that a tug. Put that somewhere kind of static free. Probably not a good place to put on a cloth. Go ahead and touch the base again. Okay, now, what I recommend doing is actually, you can go inside your computer and click the power button. But my computer has been powered down for a while, so I don't think there's any electricity running through it now. But that's, if you've just barely turned off your computer, go ahead and flip this over and click the power button one more time to drain the power. Now we're on to the actual, where we're going to remove the RAM here. Let's go ahead and put the camera down right here. Let's see. That's a good shot. What we're going to do here is there's these little pins on the side. Just simply click one, click the other, and the RAM should just pop right up. So there's a stick of RAM. Just go ahead and tug that out. It should not be hard at all. We'll put that on this cloth over here, and then do the same again with the bottom. And there we go. So I installed the 4 gigabyte chip already because I didn't want to bust my new chip. Anyway, it's actually simpler than you think. I thought it would take more pressure, but it doesn't. So you simply just angle it just as it came out. So you just kind of put it in there easily. And after it's in there, where you can't see the bars at all, you just push down on it, and it should snap right into that bar. Let's get a close-up here. So there's the little clips there, and they should just snap right in. And that's basically how you install it. Now, we're going to go ahead and install the battery once this is fully on. So that's just the same process, but backwards, and then screw everything up. I'll get right back to you guys 1 second. We're running 12% memory. Let's go to my performance here. Okay, we have 11.9 gigabytes, which means there's 12 gigabytes installed. That's pretty good. So, oh, sorry, you couldn't even see that. Let's see. See, 11.9 gigabytes, and we're running 13% right now. So, that's pretty much how to install. Make sure, I would stress that, the static thing, make sure you touch a base or you're not wearing socks. Because it is an important computer and you don't want to shock it. But yeah, so thanks for watching. Make sure to comment, rate, subscribe for more. Check out my channel for more M14x videos. And have a good day.